Hi students, all of you welcome. Welcome to Sunil Engineering Academy. I am Sunil Kumar Bandaro. Students, in this session, we are going to practice RRB previous year questions on biology. Okay, let us start the session, guys. Coming to the first one, usually the twig of which tree is used to clean the teeth? Very easy question. We know very well. The twig of which tree is used to clean the teeth? Neem. Answer is option A. Which organism can live without oxygen? Without oxygen. So that is nothing but anaerobe. Anaerobe, these type of germs can survive without oxygen. Okay. And due to this, these are cause for the infections like tetanus, gangrene. So those infections found by these organisms, anaerobe. The enzyme present in gastric juice. Which enzyme present in gastric juice? Very easy question. That is pepsin. Pepsin is present in the gastric juice. Okay. So if you observe some tonics preferred by doctors, okay, who are having indigestion problems. Okay, in that case, they will suggest pepsin type of tonics. Malaria can be cured by administering quinine type of medicines. Okay, malaria can be cured by administering quinine. Which of these flowering plants is a creeper? Which of these flowering plants is a creeper? Which flowering plants? That is jasmine. Jasmine type of plants is a creeper. Which of these insects have teeth? Which of these insects have teeth? We know very well in case of wasp and beetles having the teeth. Which of these associated with color vision? Which of these associated with the color vision? Okay, so the cone cells. Let us take the cone cells are responsible for color vision. Okay, color vision. So these are generally we know three types. So what are those? Red, green, blue. RGB. Red, green, blue. Okay. And we know the function of iris. What is the function of iris? To control the diameter and size of pupil. Okay, size of pupil. And rods used for low light vision. So here color vision, cones. C for C, color for cones. Okay, coming to the next question. The longest bone in the body is the dash. You know very well, that is femur, the longest bone. And what does insulin regulate? So insulin, I think you have listened this word. Okay, it is the one hormone. So insulin generally given to the diabetic patients. Why they will give the diabetic patients? Diabetic patients have high glucose level. So to regulate that glucose level, we are going to use the insulin injections. Okay. So if the insulin is not properly generated in our human body, then we have to give by externally. Okay. So because it regulates blood glucose level. Okay. Coming to the next one. Cataract is a disease that affects the eyes. Cataract is a disease that affects the eyes. Which creature grows again after it is cut into half? Which can grow again? That is earthworm. Earthworm can grow again if it is cut into half also. Blood is an example of dash type of tissue. Blood is connected to all the parts. So can say it is a connective type of tissue. Connective type of tissue. Which vitamin is used for the treatment of common cold? So if you want to treat for common cold, cold is due to virus. Okay. So we need to improve our immunity. So which is improves our immunity? Vitamin C. So for the vitamin is used for treatment of common cold is vitamin C. Okay. So if you have cold, then you can try lemon water. Okay. Or guava. So it is a high source of vitamin C. Spinach, it is high source of vitamin C. Okay, lemon, oranges. Coming to the next one. What causes hydrophobia? What causes hydrophobia? That is nothing but rabies virus. Rabies virus. What is acupuncture? Acupuncture is nothing but it is the ancient Chinese system of medicine. Chinese system of medicine. You know very well. They will take small needles and insert into our skin. Okay. Which are the following is or are rich in vitamin A? Rich in vitamin A. We know very well carrot. Carrot we have carotene that will be converted into vitamin A. So answer is option C. Which mineral is essential for bone? I think all of you know about this. That is calcium. Calcium. Okay. Which of the following is rich in dietary fibers? Generally, in the fruits and vegetables, we have the fibers. Okay, not in ice cream, noodles, and bread. So the answer is option D. Okay, so the fruits and vegetables, we have the fiber and some grains. Grains also having high amount of the fiber. Okay, for example, sabja seeds, flax seeds. Those have high amount of the fiber. Natural source of vitamin C. Java, spinach, and apple. So all are natural source of vitamin C. So the answer is option D. The study of relationship of animals with their environment is called as dash. See, it is nothing but ecology. The study of relationship of animals with their environment is called as ecology. What is the medico-legal name given to the dissection and study of a dead human body? If you watch the movies, you can easily give the answer for this. That is nothing but we know very well autopsy. Autopsy report. In all thrillers, crime thrillers, they will talk about the autopsy report now. So that is autopsy. Where is the pituitary gland located in the human body? So it is located at the base of the brain. At the base of the brain. Which hormone regulates the amount of sugar? We have already discussed. For this, we are going to use the we are having one important hormone, that is insulin. Okay, it is generally produced in our body. If it is not produced, we have to give externally. Okay, which is the only muscle in the human body that is not attached at the both ends? At the both ends. You know very well tongue. It is not attached at the both ends. So the answer is option A. Which part of the human ear vibrates according to the sound received? According to the sound received. That is nothing but tympanic membrane. It is also called as eardrum. Eardrum. So it is the part of our human ear vibrates according to the sound of receive. Okay. So here eardrum is also known as tympanic membrane, vibrates in response to the sound waves. Okay, response to the sound. And middle ear bones, these are amplify and transmit the sound waves in the inner ear. Okay, inner ear. And inner ear, it is response to vibration from the oval window. Okay, hair cells. Hair cells, this convert vibrations into electrical energy and send it long nerve fibers to the brain. Okay, the iodine is used to test in the presence of starch. The presence of starch in the food. Okay, and arthritis. Arthritis is generally disease that affects to mainly knee joints. Knee joints. So the answer is option B. Which are the following component imparts green colors to the leaves? green color to the leaves. You know very well that is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Which of the following is not a cereal? Okay. For example, corn is a cereal, rice is a cereal, barley is a cereal. These are cereals, but mustard is not a cereal. So the answer is option D. Which of these helps to diagnose a heart problem? I think all of you know very well about this. That is nothing but ECG. ECG. Which antibiotic was discovered by Alexander Fleming? That is penicillin. Penicillin injection is an antibiotic. Okay, that is discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928. Okay. Dash is an oil yielding plant from which you can get an oil. Potato, from potato you can get an oil. No. Mangoes, no. Tomatoes, no. So groundnut, yes. Okay, groundnut oil we know very well. The answer is option A. The deficiency of dash causes the scurvy. We know vitamin C deficiency caused the scurvy. Okay. What are antibiotics? What are antibiotics? You know very well, if you have the fever continuously 3 days, 4 days, like typhoid, they will use the antibiotics. If you have any wounds, those are not healed, then they will give the antibiotics. Okay. So antibiotics are nothing but they work against bacteria. They work against bacteria. Okay, so the drugs prepared for molds and molds like organisms, that is nothing but bacteria. So for bacterial infections, any infections, okay, any bacterial infections, for that we are giving antibiotics. Okay. In which part of the body is cornea and retina found? So in cornea and retina are found in the eye. Okay, so this is the cornea. Okay, so cornea and retina are found in the human eye. Okay, so coming to the next one. Whooping cough is also called as pertussis. Is also called as pertussis. Okay, so the answer is option C. Students, we have completed the previous year questions on biology. Okay, and if you want download the any PDF belongs to RRB or SSC examinations, you can visit sunil-engineeringacademy.com to download the PDF. Okay, and if you want this biology previous year questions PDF, you can join in the Telegram group. I will give you in the description box. From that also you can download this previous year MCQ PDF. Okay, okay students, all of you, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.